Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you don't use purchase orders to acquire inventory item parts you sell to customers, you can write a check to purchase inventory items instead. To write a check for inventory part items you have created in your item list, select Banking Write Checks from the menu bar to open the Write Checks window. Fill out the upper portion of the check with the appropriate vendor information. Then indicate which inventory items you are purchasing by clicking the Items tab at the bottom of the Write Checks window and using the Items drop-down to select the inventory parts you are purchasing. Enter each inventory item purchased into a separate row. For each inventory item purchased, enter the quantity purchased. If needed, enter the cost of each inventory item purchased into the Cost column. The total amount of the check will be determined by the total cost of the inventory parts entered into the Items tab. After you have finished listing the purchased inventory on the Items tab, click either the Save and Close button to save the check and close the Write Checks window, or click the Save and New button to save the check, but leave the Write Checks window open so you can continue writing checks.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.